Okay, so let's test this new AI application that we can use to build websites. So it has 3 simple steps. The first one is generating the sitemaps through prompts, and then we can convert those sitemaps into wireframes, and then we can add the style guides, the colors, the images, the graphics to those wireframes to get the final look. So this AI application is called Modulify, and you can sign up for free for the trial version. So let me just sign in with my Google account, and then we can test this application. Yeah, so I'm in, and let's try to create a very simple website. Yeah, so if you have already used Relume, so you will see that it looks very similar. So let's go with agency portfolio website, right? So it add a simple prompt there: design a sleek agency website featuring a portfolio list to showcase projects and a detailed portfolio page for in-depth project description. So let's click generate sitemap, and let's wait for the results. So it's very quick, and now we have the results there. So for the free version, we can generate the sitemap for 2 pages. So it is locked and it says upgrade plan to generate the sitemap for these 2 pages. And if we just look into the sitemap, so it looks very similar, right? So it says this is the navigation bar, and the navigation bar will contain nav bar with a logo, navigation links, and call to action buttons. And to copy this component, I need to upgrade my plan. Okay, so we have the hero 2. So these are the component names that it actually added to the sitemap, right? So, okay, this looks nice. And now let's convert these sitemaps into wireframes. Okay, so we get this result. And this looks nice. Okay. At least we can also get some ideas with how these components looks, because the structure is different from Relume, and this is good. We can get ideas that how a specific section is to be designed. Okay, perfect. And okay, it says AI considers your component name and prompts to generate. This will make you say wow. Okay, let's click surprise me. Okay, I don't know that what are the changes it made. Let's click on surprise me again, and I don't see any change. Okay, so now let's click on add styles, and now we have different options there. This looks great. And let's click one of the options. This looks a style taken from Stripe, and the name is Streak. Nice. Let's click on this one. Futuristic. Futuristic? What is this? Brutalism. Okay. Let's click and see what we get. Okay, this looks very nice. I like the font. I like the styles. I like the pictures. Yeah, this looks very nice. This is cool. Yeah, this looks very, very nice. The images are really good. So these are custom made images. Yeah, this is not taken from any royalty free image platform. So these are custom made images which actually add wow factor to this website design. Okay, so let's try to change the style. Let's see that what other options we have. And in this style guide, I think, can we change the font style? We do have other variants, other options, like we can rewrite the content, we can make it shorter, make it longer. But I think we are not able to change the font. We can upload the logo. We can, yeah, so font customization soon. Okay. Colors customization soon. So they are doing similar things what Relume has already done. Okay. Perfect. So let's try to change the style. Let's try this approach. Let's go with this one. And let's see what happens. I like the font, but the imagery is not as good as one we saw in the previous styles. Yeah, so we can click here and we can change the text. Yeah, we have this option. Okay, and we can change the images. Loading errors. Something went wrong. Can reset the default source. And what if I try to change the image? I can? No, something went wrong loading the images. But this looks good. So I can just make it like agency portfolio. Oh, okay. So we can also change the site language. Wow. Okay. So let's try to go with Arabic. Will this change the language there as well? No, this is just for the settings. Okay, so there we go, the design system fonts. And this is good. We can directly download the fonts from here. What if I click download? Okay, I can download the fonts from here. This is good. What else we can do? We can add blank pages. We can import the sitemap. Okay, so we can give the website URL and we can import the sitemap. This is good. And we can create the components and we can use those components as instances. Okay, so far, so good. Yeah, it looks so far so good. Let's go with English. Let's make save changes. And let's try to see that how we can share these designs with the clients or with the team. How can I share my designs with the team? Maybe this is for the paid users. Yeah, so for the paid plan, we can export styles to Webflow. We can export wireframes to Webflow. But this looks very nice. This looks good. I love to see that how Modulify progress in this race.